These are the most dangerous birds on Earth. Number 5. The powerful hunter. The golden eagle can attack animals much larger than itself. Number 4. The giant bird of prey. The harpy eagle has one of the strongest talons of any bird. Number 3. The aggressive protector. The ostrich can kick with enough force to seriously injure predators. Number 2. The fearless defender. The Australian magpie is famous for swooping at people during nesting season. And number 1, the most dangerous bird on Earth. The cassowary has dagger-like claws that can be extremely dangerous. Some birds are far more dangerous than they look. Discover more amazing facts on Factoria.